So today I am gonna tell you how can you make a calculator in Python. So for making calculator you have to write here a program. So we want to make a calculator. So we will use if else, and if you don't know what is if else in Python you have to learn it first so you can understand this program. So if you know you can understand it. So I'm gonna write a program. So a equal to int input, enter a first number, b equal to input. So here we will not use int as we are not entering a integer value. We are going to input a string value. In v we will take an input of operator. So enter operator. Operator means what you want to do: multiply, plus, minus, divide. So c equal to enter the second number, int. Here we will use int as we are going to input a integer value. Enter a second number. So now we will use if else. If b equal to plus, it means if in b user will input plus operator, so print a plus b, in which we will also write a message: addition of two numbers. Now we will write for minus, so we have to write here elif. It means if we will not satisfy it, this program will comes to here on the elif. So if b equal to minus, print subtraction a minus b. We have to make it a string. So this will write subtraction of two number a minus b. Elif b equal to multiply. Multiply means star. So print multiplication of two numbers a into b. Elif b equal to divide. So I am going to run it. Calculator. Calculate 12 minus 6 int and string. Unsupported operands type for int and string a minus b. We are taking c. We are taking second number in c, and we have right here b. That's why it is giving an error. So we have to change it to c. Okay. Now it will run. Now 12 plus 12. Addition of two number are 24. Addition is running successfully. Now we will 12 minus 4. Subtraction of two number are 8. Subtraction is running successfully. Then 12 multiply 12. Multiplication of two number are or 144. That is correct. And now division. 12 divided by 3. So division of two numbers are 4. Okay. So this is a whole calculator which will compute the all operators plus, minus, multiply, divide, which I make it in Python. So make regular practice. Thank you.